Hello. I want to talk to you today about giving a 3-point presentation. So I'm going to make 5 videos and they're going to be very short because this is just a brief presentation itself. Okay, a 3-point presentation is the standard method of giving a talk or giving a presentation. And the 3 points are introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction, you want to get their attention and you want to tell them what you're going to tell them about in the body. You're going to give them a taste. You're going to pique their interest. In the body, you're going to give them the information that you told them that you would give them. And so you're going to tell them 1, 2, 3, or 4 things that are the main points of what you want to say. And in the conclusion, you're going to summarize. You're going to review very briefly, and you're going to summarize. Okay? And so those are the 3 parts of a 3-point presentation. In the next video, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about the introduction, and then we're going to talk briefly about transition sentences, and then the body, and then the conclusion. All right? So that's what we're going to do.